होल पोएम। ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा जो सिलेबस है उसमें टोटल जो आपकी पोएम है वो मुझे लेनी है 1, 2 एंड 3। टाइगर इन द जू इनफ है ना। जो आपके सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग है इतनी ही पोएम पूछी जाएगी। अगर सिलेबस में लिखा है कि टोटल कितनी है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 है तो उसमें से 3 ही पूछी जाएगी। दैट्स ऑल। और आपका जो सप्लीमेंट्री है उसमें टोटल लेसन कितने हैं? 7 है ना टोटल। क्योंकि ओमिशन हो गया ना, ओमिट हो गए, डिलीट हो गए। 10 था पहले, अब आपका 7 है। ओके, तो ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी, थीफ स्टोरी, फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट है ना, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा मेकिंग ऑफ साइंटिस्ट वो ले लेंगे, एक बार देख लेंगे। बाकी तो आपके सिलेबस में जो है वही रहेगा और पेपर भी ऐसे ही निकाला गया है ना। देखिए, डस्ट ऑफ स्नो जो है उसमें क्वेश्चन किस तरह से आएंगे वही बात करेंगे, और कोई बात नहीं करनी है हमको। हाउ डिड द क्रो केम एंड सिट ऑन द ट्री? उसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ सडन द क्रो केम फ्रॉम नाउ nowhere and sat on the hemlock tree. Next है what kind of tree it was? Answer, it was poisonous tree named hemlock. Third है where was the poet standing and what happened to him? The poet stood under the hemlock tree where the fine dust of snow was falling on him from above. And last है where was the poet sitting? The poet was sitting under a hemlock tree. ये फर्स्ट आंसर के क्वेश्चन थे। नेक्स्ट आंसर जो हमारा है, और लास्ट भी बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि दो ही आंसर है इसमें, व्हाई डिड पोएट्स मूड चेंज? तो आंसर है द साइट ऑफ द फॉलिंग ऑफ द फाइन डस्ट ऑफ स्नो चीयर्ड द मूड ऑफ द पोएट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हाउ डिड द पोएट फील इन द एंड? तो आंसर है अर्लियर द पोएट फेल्ट डीपली सैड एंड दैट द होल डे हैड बीन वेस्टेड। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है व्हाई डिड द पोएट रू अर्लियर? रू मतलब रिग्रेट डीपली, मतलब पहले दुखी क्यों थे। ओके, RUE रिग्रेट। द पोएट फेल्ट हैप्पी इन द एंड, तो हो गया। हाँ, व्हाई डिड द पोएट रू अर्लियर? तो उसका आंसर वही है द पोएट फेल्ट हैप्पी इन द एंड। फिर लास्ट है what does the poet mean when he says that he had saved some part of the day? आंसर है the poet has saved some part of the day as he did not waste the time in repenting मतलब पछतावा करना and regretting, दोनों का सेम मीनिंग है। फायर एंड आइस देख लेते हैं। Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. है ना? उसके क्वेश्चन किस टाइप में है? तो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, what do some people say? Answer, some people believe that this existing world will end in fire. What do others say? तो other believe that in the end this existing world will be frozen to ice. Third, what has the poet tasted? Oh, answer. The poet has tasted the patience and pangs of love and desire. And last, the poet stands with those who believe that this world will end in fire. Whom does the poet support? Last वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, whom does the poet support? उसका आंसर है the poet stands with those who believe that this world will end in fire. है ना? नेक्स्ट अपना स्टैंडर्ड जो है, बट इफ इट हैड टू पेरिश ट्वाइस, अगर दोबारा ही डिस्ट्रॉय होना है, आई थिंक आई नो इनफ ऑफ इट टू से दैट फॉर डिस्ट्रक्शन आइस इज आल्सो ग्रेट एंड वुड सफाइस। उसका जो आंसर क्वेश्चन आंसर है व्हाट हैज टू पेरिश ट्वाइस? उसका आंसर है द वर्ल्ड हैज टू पेरिश ट्वाइस, वंस थ्रू फायर देन थ्रू आइस। Next question, what does the poet know enough? The poet knows that there is enough destruction? Answer. Hatred born out of icy reasoning is also praised for destruction. Last question. What does ice symbolize in this time? Answer. Ice here symbolize cold reasoning, devoid of all human warmth and feelings. कुछ था नहीं. टाइगर इन द जू है ना, उसमें कौन से क्वेश्चन आएंगे? He stalks in his vivid streets, few steps of his cage, on pads of velvet white in his white red. तो उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर किस टाइप के होंगे? What can be said about the stripes on his body? आंसर है the stripes on his body are clearly visible. Next, what are pads of velvet? Answer. The heels of the tiger are soft like the pads of velvet. Third, where is the tiger now? Answer. The tiger is bound in his cage. Fourth, why is he in his quiet state? Answer. He is unhappy and angry but control his wrath quietly. है ना, इस टाइप के होंगे कि आप उसी स्टैंजा में से आंसर लिख सकोगे. कहने का मतलब ये भी है कि कोई और कहीं से भी आंसर नहीं आएंगे, फिर भी अभी देख लेते हैं ना. 3 ही पोएम आपको करना है, दैट्स ऑल, है ना, 4th नहीं करना. He should be lurking in shadows, lying through long grass near the water hole, as well plump deer paths. ओके, उस स्टैंजा के क्वेश्चन देखिए. Why does the tiger lurk in shadow? Answer. The tiger knows how to ambush his hunt and so he lurks in shadow unseen. Next question. Why does he slide through the long grass? Answer. He slides through the long grass to ambush his prey unseen and unnoticed. Next question. Where does the tiger generally go in the search of his prey? The tiger generally goes to the water hole in search of his prey. What can he find near the water hole? Answer. He can hunt his favorite plump deer who come there for drinking water. स्टैंजा 3, 4, अभी 2 स्टैंजा और 5, 3 है ना, थोड़ा ध्यान से लिख लेते हैं. He should be snaring around houses at the jungle's edge, bearing his white fangs, his claw, terrorizing the village. एक स्टैंजा ऐसा है कि वो जंगल में हो तो कैसा हो, एक स्टैंजा ऐसा केज में है तो कैसा है, ऐसा है. ओके, where should be tigers snaring around? Answer. He should be snaring around the houses of the human settlement. B. Where are the houses situated? Answer. The houses are situated at the edge of the jungle. C. How does the C मतलब third question इस स्टैंजा का. How does he terrorize the villager? Answer है he terrorizes the villager by opening out his long sharp teeth and powerful claws. Next question. Does he really attack the villager? Answer. No, he doesn't really attack but only terrorizes the villager. Okay. Stanza 4 है अपना. But he is locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage and ignoring visitors. उसके क्वेश्चन है where is the tiger locked? So answer, tiger is locked in cage made up of cement and concrete. Next, what has gone wrong with his strength? Answer, the powerful tiger has been put behind the bars. Where does he stalk around? Answer, he stalks proudly around the length of his cage. Why does he ignore the visitor? Answer, he hates the entertain. He hates to entertain the the patrolling cars and stars with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. And stares with his brilliant eyes. Stare means घूरना and at the brilliant stars. उसके क्वेश्चन है, where is the tiger locked in? The tiger is locked in a cage in a zoo. Next question, what does he hear at night? Answer, he hears the voice of patrolling cars at night. Third, why does he stare at the brilliant star? Answer, he stares at the brilliant stars because they are shining freely in the sky. Why do cars patrol at night? Answer, cars patrol at night to supervise and safeguard the animals load in the zoo. Okay, this is all about revision. ऐसा ही कुछ होगा एक स्टेंजा, उसके नीचे 4 क्वेश्चन. This is all about revision of poem 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in our next lecture